Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and mount your Eufy SoloCam outdoor security camera in 2026. Now, first of all, before mounting the camera, you need to fully charge it using the including charging cable. Although some of the SoloCam models include a built-in solar panel, Eufy recommends starting with a full battery charge before the installation. Afterwards, you need to download the Eufy security application on your phone. Then you can create your account, or if you already have one, you can sign in into it. Now over here, simply tap on the option of add device, and then you just have to simply select your SoloCam camera model from the list. Then you just have to power on the camera and follow further instructions inside the application for basically connecting the camera to the app. Now, after doing so, before drilling any of the holes, you need to also test the camera view in the application. Eufy recommends mounting the camera approximately 7 to 10 feet above the ground and positioning it at a slight angle rather than pointing directly at the area being monitored. So this is going to improve the motion detection coverage, and it will also reduce the blind spots. Now you need to use the included mounting template to mark the screw holes. Then you need to drill the holes and insert the wall anchors if necessary. And then you need to secure the mounting bracket using the supplied screws. So once the bracket is installed, you can just simply attach the camera, and then you can adjust the viewing angle until you are satisfied with the coverage. Finally, you can return to the Eufy security application, and then you can open the option of live view, and you can walk through the camera's detection area to verify that the motion alerts are also working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.